All right, today we're tackling a topic that a lot of people feel, but very few actually talk about: recovering from that feeling of physical and mental weakness. We're going to dive straight into a guide from Dr. Pooja, using her methods to outline a path to getting your strength back. So let's start with a few of her questions and just see if they hit home.
So she starts off really direct. Think about it for a second. Do you wake up and just feel drained? Like your body is full of aches before the day has even begun. You look in the mirror and the person staring back just seems hollow, lifeless.
And what about the things you can actually see? We're talking about stuff like your hair falling out faster than it should, those deep, dark circles under your eyes that never seem to go away, or a face that's just lost its glow. These aren't just in your head, they're real, visible changes. And that brings us to the big one. Do you feel completely stuck? Like you're caught in this endless loop where you promise yourself every single night that tomorrow's the day you'll change, but then you just fall right back into the same old habit. If any of this is ringing a bell, then the rest of this guide is for you. Okay, so let's get crystal clear on what the problem actually looks like. According to the source material, your body sends out some very, very specific warning signs when it's running on empty.
And look at how specific these are. This is way more than just feeling a little tired. We're talking about your bones actually cracking when you move or getting winded just from walking up a flight of stairs. It's a visible loss of life in your face. These are presented as your body's fire alarms, basically screaming that something is seriously wrong.
And check this out. It's not just a physical battle. It's a war on two fronts. On one side, you've got the physical weakness, things like low stamina and poor erection quality. But on the other side, you've got this absolutely brutal mental toll. Zero confidence, being afraid of social situations, not even being able to make eye contact. The guide really emphasizes how these two things just feed each other, creating this vicious downward spiral.
So the big question is, why? Why does all this happen? Well, the explanation we're looking at combines modern science with ancient Ayurvedic principles to really zero in on one single source for all this weakness. And here it is. The core idea is that semen isn't just some simple bodily fluid. It's described as the body's most precious metal. Now, that analogy is super important because it frames it as the very essence of a man's vitality, something that your body spends a huge amount of resources to create.
So here's the crucial part. With every single ejaculation, your body isn't just losing fluid. It's losing the essential building blocks of life: zinc, protein, calcium. But even more than that, according to Dr. Pooja's guide, you're losing what's called Jivan Urja, or vital energy. That's described as the literal life force that powers your entire body and your mind. Okay, after laying all that out, which can sound pretty bleak, the message takes a hard turn towards hope. The key takeaway here is that the damage is not permanent. A full 100% recovery is presented as completely possible. And this quote is really the foundation of the entire solution. Think about it. Your body is an incredible healing machine. The guide says that damage you might have caused over years can actually be reversed in just a few months, if, and it's a big if, you give it the right tools and the right direction. And right here, this is the single most important rule before you can even think about healing. This leaky bucket metaphor is just perfect. You can have the best diet on the planet, the best workout plan, but if you don't stop the habit that's draining you, none of it matters. You'll never fill the bucket. Step one is to plug the hole. So once that leak is plugged, how do you start refilling the bucket? Well, the very first pillar of the recovery plan is a super specific, really powerful diet that's designed to pump all those lost nutrients right back into your system.
Okay, let's break down this morning routine. It all starts the night before by soaking these specific things, and here's why. The chickpeas and nuts are absolutely packed with zinc and magnesium, the exact minerals we talked about losing. Then you add 2 bananas in the morning. This whole thing isn't just breakfast. It's described as an energy explosion to literally kickstart your body's repair mode for the day.
Now for the nighttime. This is a classic Ayurvedic recipe, and every single ingredient has a job. You've got ashwagandha to crush stress, Safet Musli to help thicken the semen, and Shilajit, which is claimed to restore powerful blood flow to every single vein in your body. It's basically a formula to rebuild you from the inside out while you sleep.
But diet is only half the battle. To really, truly transform, you have to put all that amazing nutrition to work. So the second pillar is intense exercise, specifically aimed at rebuilding that core masculine energy. The goal here isn't just about getting fit. It's about cranking up your testosterone naturally. And the source is really clear on this. You've got to push yourself hard for at least 45 minutes every day. And it puts a huge spotlight on heavy leg exercises. Why? Because working the biggest muscles in your body is said to be the absolute fastest way to signal your system to start producing more testosterone.
And hey, along with all the heavy lifting, there's a very specific, targeted exercise you can't skip. Kegels. These go straight to the source of the physical weakness in the pelvic area, strengthening those core muscles that are responsible for control and stamina. It's a direct fix for a very specific problem.
All right, so we've covered diet, we've covered exercise, but Dr. Pooja saves the most critical piece for last. She calls it the biggest secret to a full and, most importantly, lasting recovery.
So what is it? What's the one thing that ties this all together? You can eat all the right foods, you can lift all the weights you want, but without this final piece, the source says you are guaranteed to fall right back into that same old loop.
90. That's the secret. A 90-day period of absolute strict discipline. You might call it NoFap. In more traditional terms, it's called brahmacharya, or semen retention, and this is presented as the one non-negotiable key to unlocking that transformation.
The rules for these 90 days are simple, but man, are they strict. It's not just about stopping the physical act, it's about putting your brain on a total dopamine detox. No explicit movies, no pictures, nothing. And a really important point is made here. Do not give up or panic if you have a nightfall. It's a totally natural process, and it does not mean you've broken your progress.
And this journey happens in phases. The first 20 days or so are the absolute hardest. Your brain is going to fight you every step of the way. But if you push through, you hit a new baseline where your energy and clarity just skyrocket. The idea is, when you retain your semen for this long, your body redirects all that powerful energy. Instead of being wasted, it's used to heal you, to sharpen your mind, to stop hair fall, and to build muscles of steel.
And this is the promised result at the end of 90 days. We're talking about a complete transformation. It's not just about feeling a little better, it's about becoming fundamentally stronger. A deeper voice, a powerful presence, a magnetic gaze, and an inner confidence that is absolutely unshakable. So the final thought really is a question for you. Is reclaiming that power worth 90 days of discipline?